Makati Representative Luis Campos Jr., the husband of younger sister incumbent Makati Mayor Abby Binay. Senator Nancy says she's 70% decided, but she's hoping that she can talk it out with Mayor Abby and Representative Campos. After all, it's about the welfare of Makati residents.
Para sa akin, dapat always open yung pinto para mag-usap kami. Because at the end of the day, di ba, magpapamilya kami. And lalang-lala na ako yung panganay, ako yung ate. Dapat yung effort na magkaayos-ayos, na walang laban dun sa pamilya, yun pa rin yung goal natin pagdating ng 2025 elections.
Makati first glimpsed the sibling rivalry in 2019 when Abby challenged her brother Junjun, who was mayor at that time. Abby defeated Junjun by 80,000 votes. The beef among the Binay siblings